Guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this humidifier, which is 3-liter large capacity air humidifier, real-time monitoring of spray humidity, and this is the model number is Mini X12. Here we can see the whole manual. Over here we can see how to use and what not to do, and the warranty system. On the back side, this is a Chinese. If you can understand Chinese, so you can read it out, or you can use the Google Translate to check what is written, but here is the translation over here. So how it works really simply with the usage of cotton swab over here. It is normal tap water, not a purified water or filter water, not a RO water, only from the tap water, clean water. Don't use any other water than tap water, it will get faulty. So it is sucking all the water from here cotton swabs, and it's going on to the top, and over here it is making the humidity as soon as it reaches the water. So it is a simple mechanism which is normally we use a USB donut humidifier. This is the newer version of this, high quality with this. So it can hold about 3 liters, and it comes with this box. You can see it is a very elegant and nice design for using as a lamp. You can use it as a lamp as well. So if we turn off the light, it will be a very good looking environment. And also we can adjust the humidity by pressing this button. It will start working. It is also showing the humidity right now, what type of humidity are here in this area. So if it is a closed room, you can see accurate kind of result, but you can switch on and off or lower the humidity by pressing this. So it will work like 5 seconds from here, then 5 seconds from here, then 5 seconds from here. It will keep working like that. But if you want to use it only one, so it is only one humidifier is working, which is half of the time of it is working. So you want to close it, and it is closed, and you can use this as a lamp. And then if you don't want it is a daytime, then you close it. So that's how it works. It's a very nice design. It comes this box, all the details over here. Humidifier, 5 volt, 1 ampere, and all the necessary things. There is nothing much in the box. There is also only a cover which comes in it. It was covered like this in this plastic bag. It was covered, and that's only the thing you can get, as there is nothing else. So this is a very one piece, two piece kind of thing, because the top side and the bottom side. It doesn't come with this adapter power supply, so you have to use the power supply from your mobile charger or supply charger. It doesn't come with this, but only this wire. It comes with this wire only, because sometimes it got faulty and you have to change it again and again. So you can use any kind of mobile supply by yourself. So here it is a review of this normally high quality and fancy humidifier. Otherwise you can use any kind of 24 voltage humidifier, but this one is for the fanciness, so it can be used as a furniture. So if it is up to you if you want to use donut humidifier or this one. Already I have told you that 5 volt humidifier is not a good option because it goes faulty just right away, but this one is like high quality, but I cannot say anything about it because I didn't use it. I'm just reviewing it. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.